Today I am reviewing the KRDV Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The KRDV Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is one of those home cleaning tools that genuinely changes how you think about everyday cleaning. After using it, it quickly becomes clear that this is not just another lightweight stick vacuum. It's a thoughtfully designed cleaning system built for modern homes, especially households dealing with pets, carpets, hard floors, and daily dust buildup. Right out of the box, the first impression is how sleek and lightweight the design feels. Many powerful vacuums tend to be bulky or difficult to maneuver, but this one strikes a strong balance between power and portability. It feels easy to carry, easy to push, and comfortable to use even during longer cleaning sessions. The ergonomic stick design allows you to move freely around furniture, corners, and tight spaces without feeling like you're dragging a heavy machine behind you. The real highlight of this vacuum is its powerful 500W motor combined with 40 kilopascal suction in max mode. That level of suction is impressive for a cordless stick vacuum, and in real use, it makes a noticeable difference. Dust, crumbs, pet hair, and debris don't stand a chance whether you're cleaning hardwood floors, tiles, or carpets. The vacuum feels especially effective when switching from smooth floors to carpeted areas, where deeper suction is required to pull out embedded dirt. One of the standout features for pet owners is the V-shaped anti-tangle roller brush. Anyone with long hair or pets knows how frustrating it is to constantly stop and clean tangle brush rollers. This design significantly reduces that problem by guiding hair toward the suction path instead of wrapping it around the brush. Combined with the built-in LED headlights, it also becomes much easier to spot dust and pet hair hiding under sofas, beds, and dark corners where traditional vacuums often miss debris. Battery performance is another strong point. The KRDV cordless vacuum offers up to 60 minutes of runtime in standard mode, which is more than enough for most daily cleaning tasks. Even in higher suction mode, the battery holds up well for quick, deep cleaning sessions. This makes it practical for both small apartments and medium-sized homes without constantly worrying about recharging mid-clean. The removable battery design also adds flexibility, making charging more convenient depending on your setup. The smart LED display is another feature that elevates the overall experience. Instead of guessing how much battery you have left or what mode you're using, everything is clearly shown in real time. You can easily switch suction levels, monitor battery life, and even receive brush maintenance alerts if hair gets tangled. It gives the vacuum a modern, intelligent feel without making it complicated to use. Filtration is another area where this vacuum stands out. The multi-layer sealed filtration system captures up to 99% of fine particles, including very small dust particles, which is especially important for people with allergies, children, or pets. The system ensures that air released back into the room is cleaner, helping improve overall indoor air quality rather than just moving dust around. Another major advantage is the 8-in-1 multifunction design. This turns the vacuum into a complete cleaning tool rather than just a floor cleaner. With the included attachments, you can easily clean sofas, curtains, car interiors, beds, tight corners, and even pet cushions. It effectively replaces multiple cleaning tools and makes it easy to switch between different cleaning tasks without hassle. The 1.5L dust cup is another practical upgrade that reduces the need for frequent emptying. It's large enough for everyday cleaning sessions and features a simple one-touch emptying system, which keeps maintenance quick and mess-free. This is especially useful when cleaning pet-heavy homes where dust and hair can accumulate quickly. The wall-mounted charging system is also a smart addition. Instead of leaving the vacuum lying around or forgetting to charge it, you simply dock it on the wall mount after use. It keeps the vacuum stored neatly while ensuring it's always ready for the next cleaning session. This small detail makes a big difference in everyday convenience and organization. Overall, the KRDV Cordless Vacuum Cleaner delivers a strong combination of power, convenience, and modern features. It handles everyday messes with ease, works well on multiple surfaces, and offers thoughtful upgrades like anti-tangle brush technology, smart LED controls, and long battery life. For anyone looking for a reliable cordless vacuum for home, pets, carpets, and cars. This model stands out as a practical and powerful all-in-one cleaning solution that makes daily cleaning faster, easier, and much more efficient.